Hybrid powertrain. The LaFerrari is Ferrari's first production car to feature a hybrid powertrain. It combines a 6.3-liter V12 engine with a 120 kilowatt electric motor, producing a total of 950 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. This hybrid setup not only boosts performance, but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions compared to a traditional supercar. Limited production. Ferrari limited the production of the LaFerrari to just 499 units, making it an extremely rare and sought-after vehicle. Each car was sold before production started, emphasizing the high demand and exclusivity of this model. Advanced aerodynamics. The LaFerrari boasts cutting-edge aerodynamics, with active aerodynamic elements such as a front diffuser, rear diffusers, and an active rear spoiler. These elements adjust automatically based on driving conditions to optimize downforce and reduce drag, ensuring maximum performance and stability at high speeds. Carbon fiber construction. The chassis and body of the LaFerrari are constructed from different types of carbon fiber, providing a lightweight yet incredibly strong structure. This construction helps the car achieve a dry weight of just 1,255 kilo, 2,767 lbs, enhancing its agility and performance. Record-breaking performance. The LaFerrari is capable of reaching a top speed of over 350 km/h, 217 mph, and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph in less than 3 seconds. It also holds the record for the fastest lap time of a Ferrari road car around the Fiorano test track, clocking in at 1 minute and 1970 seconds.